Any questions on the trick? Yeah, go ahead, Abel.
Is that only when they're being added?
Or subtracted.
And if it's equal, then you don't do it?
If it's okay, if it's equal, then you do this. This is cross multiplying. So bottom left times top right equals bottom left times top right. Here it's the combined fraction. So bottom right times top left, sign comes down, bottom left times top right, divided by bottoms together. Then this is with the box. I'm not going to do that. You guys have seen it a million times. We've done it a few times already today. But basically you'll get this.
Can you write out the trick?
Yeah, so like, yeah, so we'll do that. Be patient with the bottom. So to write out the trick, what you do is you do bottom right times top left. Bring the sign, in this case it's a plus. Bottom left times top right, all divided by bottom left times bottom right. Now we are going to simplify this. Sine squared plus cosine squared is 1. One more time, Giselle, repeat what? Sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Does that work? Okay. Brianna, go ahead, please. Good question. So I think what you're asking is it doesn't matter whether they're adjacent or whether they're split up like this. Is that what the question is? Okay. Remember, addition allows you to like move things around, so it's the same, right? So remember 3. Does that work, Brianna? So in other words, all I'm doing here is I'm just basically saying this is moving over here, then adding them. So yes, the answer to your question is yes, but that was the why. All right, finishing up here, going to combine on the top. Combining on the top. All right, upstairs now you notice that both of these have a 2. You can factor that out. And now life is good. That's why you're patient the whole time. Remember, sine is downstairs. You can bring it up and make it cosine. Question. George.
So why does the 2 plus 2 cosine turn into 2?
Because this is really just 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times this is 2 cosine. I just factored out the 2. Questions? Brianna? Yeah. So again, the exact same rationale, yes. Okay. 15, I didn't grade it because you actually need a calculator to do part of it, but the answer is C. So I didn't grade that one because I didn't tell you to use the calculator. So my apologies. 16 is G. 16 is G. So let me roll through that.
What was 15?
15, I didn't grade it, but it was C. 16, a ball starting from rest rolls down an inclined plane. 3 seconds, then 5, then 7. Many of you are already noticing the kind of sequence this is, what the common difference is. And let's see what they're asking me. How long will it take for the ball to roll 120 inches from where it started? So, in the first second, it's 3 inches away. After roll number 2, please notice, it is 8 inches away. After roll 3, it is 15 inches away from where it started. So in other words, this is a sum equation. They're asking you, when are we 120 inches away? You got to use the sum equation. Because every time you're moving further away, you got to add them up. So Sn equals 1/2 n a1 plus an. And then you also know that an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So an, you want to take this and bring it here so that you only have one variable to worry about. So let's plug in what I know. Sn is 120, 1/2 is just 1/2, n is just n, a1 is 3, plus a1 again, plus n minus 1 times 2. Questions? And now it's just algebra. So 120 equals 1/2 n, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus this 2 is multiplied by this, so we need to do this. So 120 is 1/2 n, 6 minus 2 is 4 plus 2n. Multiply everything by n. Just distribute that n. Distribute the 1/2 now. And please stop me if there's questions. I think most folks are able to do the algebra on their own without me. If you have a question, of course, don't hesitate to ask. Here we are. Again, please stop me with questions. So we have two possible answers. Certainly you can't have a negative number of terms, so that's out. So the answer is n equals 10, which is G. Questions on that? Okay. We're not going to have time to go through the rest, so I'll project the answers. If you have questions, you can ask tomorrow or tomorrow. I won't be here after school today. But, so here are these two right here. 17 is D, 18 is H. All right, 19 is A, and then 2021 on the back. My suggestion is to do 6 problems tonight from the homework. If you do 6 every night, it's very manageable. You have both tomorrow and Thursday in class. So use your time class wisely and spend maybe 20 to 30 minutes a night. This is an easy 100 as a huge homework grade and a great review for the CA, great review for the benchmark. Remember, if you want to amend or improve your free response grade, let's wait, no need to get up, we still have a minute. Go, same thing. If you want to improve your free response grade, tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday for tutorial, and then optional assessment next Monday or Tuesday after school. Right, so you have to be here in the tutorial though to be eligible to take the optional assessment, which will look almost identical to what many people struggled on last Friday. You know, I did the homework. Third body paragraph mañana. That 12:44. At 12:44, you guys are ready to go. What happened to them? Not really. I mean, kind of.
You get to somewhere and then you just